सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के फैंस उनकी मौत से सदमे में हैं और उनकी मौत के बाद से लगातार सीबीआई इंक्वायरी की डिमांड कर रहे हैं। अब उनके एक फैन ने अपने फेवरेट एक्टर को ऐसी ट्रिब्यूट दी है कि पूरा देश सरप्राइज्ड है। सुशांत एस्ट्रोनॉमी में बहुत दिलचस्पी रखते थे और अब उनके एक फैन ने एक तारा उनके नाम कर दिया है। Yes, you heard it right. One of his fans has named a star after the actor who was fascinated with astronomy. उनके फैन ने सर्टिफिकेट शेयर करते हुए लिखा, सुशांत had always been so fond of the stars and thus I found it quite fitting to name one after him. I shall forever be blessed to have witnessed such a beautiful and profound soul. May you continue to shine brightest. The certificate reads, let it be known to all that the star residing at the astronomically verified position of RA 22.121 and declination 10.14 is hereby named for June 25, 2020 as Sushant Singh Rajput. The name is permanently filled in the registry's vault and copyrighted with the Star Register with all rights and privileges attended thereto. उस सर्टिफिकेट के साथ उनके फैन ने एक हार्टफेल्ट पर्सनल नोट भी लिखा, Sushant Singh Rajput, although you will be missed dearly, you shall forever be celebrated and cherished for eras to come. Your gleaming eyes reflected the entire cosmos within them, and your exuberant smile radiated incessant light and warmth throughout this dark, desolate world. Your inspiring journey of single-handedly transforming your profound aspirations into a reality through your unfaltering earnesty, persistency, and ambition shall forever resonate with us all. Your endearing sincerity, simple desire to be wholeheartedly loved, and perpetual quest to attain a permanent state of happiness shall not go unheard any longer. We all hope to continue your unparalleled legacy by embarking upon the indefinite process of consistently evolving. Although short-lived, thank you so much for blessing our lives with your enlightening presence. We love you to the moon and beyond. May your beautiful soul rest in peace and may you continue to shine brightest among the stars you so genuinely admire. सुशांत ने अपने लिए चांद पे एक जमीन भी खरीदी थी जो सी ऑफ मस्कोवी के पास थी. Well, we feel it's a befitting tribute to the actor. For more on movies, fashion and entertainment, stay tuned to movietalkies.com.